What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Tang hadian sisngi bakala rngai no nalajong ka plau ying ya ka metiap jong ka khynnah ka badang saus namrta ka bakerteng ka insa piraling do maunai ka badai nakas nongra nonglum brei lalap din no neka step khatsan trik nailur nakawai ka ying ka badang don hapreng ka jing pentre ya ka ni ka metiap lalap ningkong dagi nong belai ki ba pentre ya ka ni ka ying hadian bakilawan nalaki jong gisnong ban wan tre menta ka sing ningkong kat kum ki khubor layat hu bahnen ka singi ublei lapulong ka jingwat shnong hakate ka ju ka yeng balalap ya ka met yam henry amshamalap din satya kat kum ki khubor la ong ba ka khynnah kala sha ban ha umau ki badan hakate ka jaka ya ka daw halor ka jingyap ampat la ban penthikna henry la suba jor ba ka jingsha pyniap dusmon watla katta ka jingto okit halor ka jingja kadang ya shakman
Anh này yêu nè. Ano. Anak tak lah. Sini. Ano kalau? Di hu. Em habon police department ni habu. You ke?
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.